Welcome back to Lit Lab 4th grade. Today we're going to get a few things set up that we will be using throughout the school year. We're going to start by getting into our new Google Classroom. And so in order to do that, you can go to classroom.google.com, or if you have a tab open or Gmail or something dealing with Google, you can always come to the waffles and find Classroom, right there, the green and yellow icon. So we want to just get to Classroom and then go over how do we get into 4B Lit Lab. So once I'm in a classroom, then I have to get you to join my class. So you'll hit the plus sign and join class, and then you'll just be waiting for the code. And so the code that you're going to type in, it's all lowercase letters. The number 5, JAEMGZ. And then you click join, and you should be into the class. Then the next thing we want to make sure that we are ready to go with and can get into for the year is going to be our keyboarding online. So we're going to try and use the same software that you used in 3rd grade. So the link is here, and we'll click that, and then we're ready to sign in. Since you guys already used this last year, I'm hoping things go smoothly, and we're just ready to go and get signed in. New students, you can ask the substitute to help you get logged in with username and login, or how to do the Google process, or a friend can help you, but you should be able to just click here with your Google account. And just clicking that and getting in there again. So then you guys will have something that looks similar to this other than saying teacher. So you can click that and just kind of wait for further instructions. But our biggest goal today is just to make sure everybody can get in. If things just aren't working and we're just having some difficulties with it, that's not a big deal. Just make sure you let the teacher know so that I can address it when I am back in the building, so that you're ready to go for next week with keyboarding.